How you doing out there, all you backyard dwellers? The unknown bass player coming at you. On the last video, I put the machine heads on my acoustic guitar. On this one, I'm going to drill for the bridge pins and the strings. Now, on the bridge itself, it has preset, and they're 3/16. Well, I'm not going to use the 3/16. I'm going to use the 5/32 drill bit, which is smaller. I'll drill through them with that. Then I'll go back with this reamer, 3 degrees reamer, and I'll put it in there and I'll ream it out. As I ream it out, I'll keep checking the pins to get them to where I like them, where the height I want them. Now these pins I'm going to use on this guitar, I bought from Grizzly a long time ago when they were selling stuff. They're brass. I always wanted to use them, never did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on this guitar, see if I like the sound of them. If I don't, something that's easily switched out. Just take them out and put the rosewoods in, or bone or plastic, whatever you have that you choose to use. You don't have to worry about that. Just loosen the string, pull them on a little bit, push the new one in, tighten the string back up. So I'll get this set up and we'll see what we can do. Okay, I got pretty much everything together. I drilled this first one out. You can see, maybe. Put the hole in there. Now the pin will set like this. What I'll do is I'll take this reamer, shove it in there. I'll turn it a couple times. A little bit at a time. Take the pin, put it back in there. Now it's still a little high. I don't like it like that. So I'll take it back out. Put the reamer back in it. A couple more turns. Take it. Pin, try it again. It's much closer, but I still think I want it a little lower than that. So again, I'll go back. Take some more out of it. Try the pin again. Here we go. The string will go in there. There's a slot right there. String will come up through that slot. This will fit down over top and it'll end up right about in that position. Now I actually don't think I want to quite take that much out. So I'm going to take the reamer and mark it. That way I'll know not to go past that point. And we'll try to get the rest of them done. Okay, I got it marked with a piece of tape. I'll try to go down to just to the tape. And I'll show you the difference in this. This would be the end one. If I wasn't using electronics and had that 1/4" jack back there, I'd be using this bigger one for the strap pin. Then the strap would go on there. That would go in the tailpiece of the instrument. To show you the difference in the pins, these are the ones that go in the bridge. This is the one that goes in the tailpiece. So we'll drill them out, see how we can do it. I'll do one, then I'll finish the rest of them. All right, now we got the one drill. And you see the pin, how high the pin is. I'll put the reamer in it. Take it down. It's cutting it. You can see it going down. stop there and give it a check. I still got to go a little bit more. I don't have to get something to pull them out, so won't be so hard. Try again. I still want it a little bit less. It's right down to the tape now. Now this may have to go a little further than what the tape was, because on the practice piece I didn't have a plate underneath of it. Well, I got a plate underneath there for that. So I think I'm good with that. I'm going to leave it like that. We'll see if we can get them done. All right, here they go. Got them all in. Next thing is to put the strings on. Okay, I gathered up a set of strings, getting ready to put them on. Got the tool, put in my drill. Now, people that may not have ever used the Lockheed tuners, what that does is you ever put a set of strings on, you stick them through the hole and you turn them, pops out. You put them in there, it pops out. Well, you put the string in there, then you tighten this down, this little button right here, knob, and that tightens right up against the string. And the string's in there to stay. You can turn it on, it won't pop out of there. These are the strings I'm going to put on it. So I'll get them put on and see how she sounds. All right, I got the strings put on it. Got them kind of drawn up. I'm going to see if I can bring it up to tune. All right, I got her together, got her tuned up. I'm having a little bit of trouble with electronics. I bought it off of eBay. I sent them a message not too long ago, told them they could follow the video to see when I installed it. I can't get it to work properly right now, but we'll let you hear how it sounds. If you like this small build, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.